Zachary, welcome to Burn Down's Country Kitchen. This evening we're going to get after, let me back up a little bit. I get a lot of messages saying how come I don't do a lot of pasta. Well, pasta's fattening. I'm trying to keep my girlish figure nice and tight, right? But so I'm going to go ahead and do pasta. We're going to do chicken fettuccine. I love it. It's so good. And if you're going to do it, you might as well do chicken fettuccine, right? All right, y'all. We're gonna put some pounds on, get after these ingredients. All right, so we got our chicken broth. Of course, we got our fettuccine noodles, some Parmesan. Yeah, it's in a bag. It'll be all right. Got me some garlic, some whipping cream, heavy whipping cream. You're gonna want your butter. Got some cream cheese, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, basic stuff like that. And of course, our chicken. Can't have chicken fettuccine without the chicken, right? All right, y'all, I'll get it started. Let's get after this food. First thing we're gonna do is get our noodles going. Gotta get them boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and do them all. If I use them all, I don't know, but I'll go ahead and cook them all. We'll see. I wanna try to keep them whole as much as possible. If it was regular spaghetti, I'd just be breaking it up, but not today, y'all. Not today. Go ahead, just a little bit of oil in there. Just like that. All right, just get you a couple tablespoons of butter in there. Throw you a little oil, because butter burns. The oil helps it from burning. The oil don't really have much flavor. Butter gives you flavor. And once that starts to melt down, go ahead and start cracking off your garlic in there. You want it on medium-low heat, so you know, in case I didn't tell you before. I'm using 6 to 8 decent sized pieces of garlic here. Plus, y'all ain't heard me do the scraping in a while. I figured we go ahead and knock that out for you. You're welcome. I'm here to please, right? I'm here to please, y'all. Go ahead and get that stir around. Let it get nice and fragrant. Yeah. I'm gonna start with about a cup chicken broth. Cup and a half maybe. And stuff there. Let that heat up a little bit. All right, to this, I'm gonna go ahead and add some paprika. About a half teaspoon maybe. This is all gonna be to taste. Do what you want. Cracked pepper. You're always gonna want to adjust it as you go anyways. Some garlic powder. Maybe about a teaspoon each, if that. Now, if you want that really white, you probably didn't want to put in the paprika. But you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Come in with 2 cups of heavy cream. I'm going to go ahead and add my cream cheese. This is a half a thing of cream cheese I'm going to start out with. Put it into blocks so it melts a little easier. That melting. Probably gonna go ahead and put the other half in. I just want to start out slowly first. We'll see here. There we go. Just go ahead and let them hang out. Let it melt. Keep stirring it. At this point, you just want to take a little bit of your pasta water, put it in there. Not a lot, just a little bit. Helps add that flavor. Go ahead and get our chicken going here. Of course, a little bit of oil. Of course.
Remember to use some butter, but garlic butter. Chicken on there. Just thicken it up nicely. I'll go ahead and just add a little more pepper to it. Maybe a little bit of salt. Okay, I'm going to start adding my noodles in here slowly. So I don't want to overcrowd it and make it dry. Right? Look at that. Just soaking it up. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And the smells, y'all, I'm telling you. So we should definitely be able to have all that in there. Oh, how creamy that is. Just go ahead and let that simmer for a little bit, cook down. Not too much, because the noodles are already cooked, but just want it all to soak in and incorporate. Man. Let that simmer. Go ahead and cut our meat up here. Oh, so juicy. Look at this. So juicy. Strips. All right, y'all, it's that time again. Like, share, subscribe. Tell you, it does me good. Does me good. The views do me a lot of good too, so make sure you're checking out my videos. If you haven't watched it before, go back and watch them. Make sure you're checking out the new ones that come out. We do here at Burnt Down Country Kitchen appreciate every single one of y'all. Appreciate y'all. All right, y'all. Enough of the business. Let's get to the food. All right, y'all. Look at that. How creamy that is. Look, if you're not making it homemade, you're probably busy. You'll be all right. A little bit more on there. There we go. All right. How we looking so far, guys and gals? There we go. Look at that. And of course, just a little bit of parsley here for greenery. There we go. Of course, some more Parmesan sprinkled on top. And there we have it, y'all. Nice. Can y'all see it? Well, come on. Come on. All right, taste test time. How creamy that is. So impressive. Just gotta have some chicken in there. Not bad, right? Not bad. Still hot and steamy. Cheers. Olive Garden ain't got nothing on me. Nothing. That's a game changer right there. That's a game changer. Just gotta throw it down. It's a mic drop. Throw it down. That's my version of a mic drop. Man, that is epic. Like always, that's my dinner, y'all. Pasta lovers, there you go. Yeah, I hope you liked it. Make something. Make anything. Make chicken fettuccine. It's easy. You can use a jar. It's okay. It'll be all right. Maybe you're in a rush. You can use rotisserie chicken. It does not matter. It'll be okay. All right, y'all. That's going to do it. Till next time.